Hi, it's Jason here at Staven Creative. I just want to quickly show you how to use a VLOOKUP, vertical lookup. So this is a powerful, simple tool in Excel, and it helps you look up vertically across tables data. So you put in the lookup column and you can look up any of the other columns in that data. So what I've got here so far is I've got this drop down box I've created, which is grabbing all the unique ID numbers, because that's what we're going to be looking up in this formula. And here we're just going to put in a first and a last lookup based on whatever ID we put in here. So let's start with the first name. So we put equals VLOOKUP, that is the formula. And then we come over here and we click on here because this is what we're looking up. We're looking up the value in there. And we come over here and we highlight our table of data. So here we go. It's from A4 to D13. Now we can actually lock that in by pressing F4, and it puts those little dollar marks in there, and that locks that data. No matter if we move things around, it's always going to stay those two coordinates. Put a comma. Next, we want to know how many columns to look across on this first formula. So we're looking up the column B, so it goes 1, 2. So here we put in 2, comma, and then last, do we want this to be an exact match? I nearly always use exact match, which is a 0 or false. I just type 0 and close it off and press enter. Right, so it's coming up with an error, and that's because right now there's nothing in here, and it's saying, I can't find nothing in this table. So if we come here and we grab, say, number 2, Richard, we click number 2, it's now looking up Richard, so it's grabbing. So if you look at this formula, so G3 is looking up this box, the table is over here, it's looking up all of this area, and it's going, right, let's find 2, and then go across 2, oh, we found Richard, and it's putting Richard's result in there. So last name, let's do it again quickly. So we go VLOOKUP, we're looking up this again, looking up this table, press F4 to lock that in, and then we go 3 this time, so we're going 1, 2, 3, because we're looking up column 3, or C. And so we put 3, and then we want it to be an exact match, so we put 0, and close it out and press enter. And so there we have it. So we've got Richard's full name here. We could do that with age as well, but I think you're getting the gist of this. And so if I now type in 10, it will bring up Mark. So we see it's looking up people based on that first column. It's looking up Mark Thistle. If we go to 7, it should bring up Eddie. There we go. So hope that explains it in a few minutes. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I'm going to be putting up a lot of tutorials around Excel and WordPress and other business solutions, simple ones and more complex ones. Okay, thank you. Bye.